5 seconds. High Court of Punjab and Haryana is aggrieved by the judgment dated May 22, 1988 of a division bench of its own High Court on judicial side setting aside the order of the state of Haryana respondent number 2 prematurely retiring the first respondent Ishwar Chand Jain, hereinafter referred to as Jain, a member of the Superior Judicial Service of the state of Haryana on the recommendation of the High Court. Jain, a practicing advocate of 14 years standing, joined the Superior Judicial Service of the state of Haryana after his selection by the High Court. He joined service on May 2, 1983 and under Rule 10 of the relevant rules put on prohibition for a period of 2 years. He was posted at Hisar, an additional district and session judge. In the year 1983-84, inspection of his court was made by the inspecting judge of the High Court, who graded his work as B satisfactory. Full Court of the High Court reduced this grading to B average satisfactory. For the subsequent year 1984-85, Jain was posted at Narunol. The inspecting judge graded him B plus good. Full Court of the High Court, however, graded it to C below average, while the inspecting judge considered knowledge of law and procedure of the officer as good. High Court recorded it as poor. Against the column, if the officer was industrious and prompt in disposal of the cases and has he coped effectively with heavy work, inspecting judge gave him the remarks as yes. High Court said it is no against the column whether the judgments and orders were well written and clearly expressed. The inspecting judge said yes plus be good. There is no such column in the form of recording ACR by the High Court. Inspecting judge said officer was an efficient judicial officer and has maintained the judicial reputation for honesty and impartiality. According to the High Court, there was scope for improvement about his attitude towards member of the bar and the public. The inspecting judge recorded that some members of the bar were complaining about his unaccommodating nature. High Court used this entry to say a scope for improvement. That in view of the above recommendation, the departmental proceedings against Sri Ishwar Chand Jain be not proceeded with of the present. That in the event of acceptance of above recommendation of this court by the state government, the period of suspicion of Sri Ishwar Chand and the departmental inquiries against him shall be deemed to have been dropped from the date of acceptance of the recommendation of this court regarding compulsory retirement of Sri Ishwar Chand Jain. When the communication was received from the High Court by the state government recommending the premature retirement of the appellant, a letter dated April 2, 1996, was sent to the High Court seeking clarification as to whether a suspended official could be compulsorily retired. High Court sent its reply on April 16, 1996, stating that the retirement of Jain was made on the basis of an overall assessment of the service record as reflected in his confidential reports and not on the basis of the departmental inquiry. Thereafter, state government issued letter dated May 10, 1996, retiring the appellant. We may reproduce this order, which was impugned by Jain in the High Court order, whereas on the recommendation of he Punjab and Haryana High Court, it has been decided by the state government to retire Sri Ishwar Chand Jain, a member of the Haryana Superior Judicial Service, under suspicion from service in public interest.